Hi guys, so today is storming and here is a clip of it. See, it's raining, my tree is blowing. Ugh. And Kuma went inside, but look at this. Like, I am not happy. Every single, like, it's windy and this tree is like, oh, I have done that. And it's raining a lot. It's like kind of severe thunderstorm, but not really that much. Pretty sure you heard that. We'll take a look outside. So you hear that. Ugh, drop that. Damn. Okay. There. And this is a thunderstorm. And I don't like this. Like literally, I don't like. Okay. I don't like this.
Baby.
Thunder rip and turn me up. I am not happy with that. You. Matthias, say hi. Say. Oh, so cute. And it's raining. Oh, it's a rainbow. Oh yeah. The thunder entering up. I'm always up over there. How is that? And Kuma is like inside her dog shit. I thought she was gonna come out. Dang, look how floppy it is now. Yeah. This tree is like done. This thing is like done. It's getting wet. Every single tree, I know. Every single tree is getting wet. Let it focus. Yeah, you see all that marks? That's wet, that's water. I'm gonna keep the video a little long. So you can see lining. There was lining earlier. This tree is like floppy, it's about to fall down the end of it. Like, what's gonna happen? It's gonna return. Oh, a tiny camera saw it. What's gonna happen? It turns to a real thunderstorm? Like going backwards, like this way. I hope. I guess. It looks so funny, my tree, when it goes floppy ways. If it happens, I'll definitely let you know. Uh-oh, it's getting there. It's getting there. Look at that. I'm pretty sure you heard that. That thunder is so annoying. That thing is moving every single tree. Dang. Matthias, what are you doing? Look, he gets mad when I touch it. Get mad. I'm not getting mad at all. Oh my goodness. And, okay. So guys, comment below if you live over there or I don't know where, but hopefully it's not. Is it happening in your house? Comment down below, because it's happening in my house. I'm pretty sure everywhere, but I'm not on anything. Uh-oh. It's getting there. The big storm's getting there. Look, it's going backwards. Probably the end of it's getting like it's done for. Probably put too much water, but the middle, it's like okay. Now you see how trees moving because that one's like so weak it can move. This tree is. Let's see. Look at that. That thing can touch my roof. Dang, this tree looks weird. It looks like floppy. Bosley's so cute. From Faderug's dog. I love him. My favorite YouTuber is Faderug. I'm pretty sure y'all know him. I want to meet him so bad because he's in San Diego and that's California. I live in Arlington, Texas, and that is far from here. That's like 18 hours we drive. It will be like 6, I think it will be 4 hours if you on an airplane when you go to San Diego. I really want to go there, but I don't want to go on an airplane. I'm scared of heights. So guys, this is a severe thunderstorm. And oh, there's my tail. My tail's sleeping. Oh. Okay. Pretty sure y'all can see. It's raining a lot. Okay, that was thunder. When is gonna happen? Oh my goodness. Did you hear that? That was scary. It was like that was like big flash of lightning. Like, okay, let's go back. That scared me. That was weird. Oh no, it's getting backwards, right? Uh-oh. Look what's happening. It's going backwards. Yay! It's going backwards. And having a new finisher. I have it during my new finisher. I already got it. That was like last week. That was Friday. That thunder scared me. I was like, I thought it was gonna be louder than that. But it was going backwards a little bit. Watch this. I'm scared now. Like, Wubba strikes me. I'm just kidding. I mean, for real, Wubba does strike me. Wait, guys, I think I got it on camera. Actually, if it was louder, I'm pretty sure I got it on camera. I'm gonna make it loud for y'all, but I can't. If I can't, then you have to deal with it. That was so scary. Look at the tree. It's going backwards a little bit. That's because that loud thunder came. Oh, and it's getting wet. It's brown. When it's dry, it looks light. Kumo and Max, they're scared. And Frida. They're okay. They're always okay. That scared me a lot. That thunder was like up there. And, okay, that does do it. It's just a tree. And, that was serious, and I did not expect that. Oh, look at the puddles. Look. Dang. I see mud everywhere. That's disgusting. And the tree's still going. Well, guys, I am so scared because my brother's in the room. I'll tell him about that. Let's go. Hey, guys. You heard that crack of thunder?
Yay!
Say what's up to the video.
Okay. What?
Say what's up to the video to my fans and your fans. Say it.
What's up?
And I got in his finger. He's right there. Okay, guys. So I am not okay because I don't like thunder. That scares me a lot, and it's loud and still going. But who knows what's gonna happen? Well, guys, that'll be the end of the video. I think that's what I can do because I'm too scared now. But I'll do another video a little longer later or tomorrow if I can. Peace. Love you. I'm sorry. Love you.